Hello and welcome. I've got here for you the Carado edition 24 4x4 camper van. It's on the Ford Transit. The off-road version is very good. I've been in it. It's quite outstanding. Admittedly, I wasn't in the Carado, I was in the Karmann Mobil, but all the performance of the Ford, I thought as a non-expert, is pretty good. I'll show you inside the vehicle. It's got some work to be done on it, and it's got some stuff there to protect it, so you'll understand that you wouldn't normally have that down there. That's to protect it from people's shoes such as mine. So to give you an overall look at it, bed at the back width-wise, washroom, and semi-dinette up front. Now it's on the Ford, means it's got stacks and stacks of space above your head, lots of room inside, and that's something that the Fiat Ducato, for example, doesn't actually give you. So that's something I very much appreciate. Let's come right down to the back. So I didn't touch any of this, so I can see there's work being done on it. This infotainment system here is about to be put in, so I'm leaving it exactly as I find it. So if people say to me, clean up the van, well, there's a reason why I'm not. There you go. We've got very big space in there. We've also used the back here as well to give a bit of extra storage there, and window on one side, but not on the other. But it does have windows out the back, so you can watch things out the back if you want. If you don't want, then you can close the blinds. Here at the kitchen, sink, and the standard 2 burners. Incidentally, it is now official that 2 burners is the best, because I had a poll on this channel and most votes went to 2 burners. Fridge which opens both ways, although on this I can't really see what the point of having it opening both ways is. I suppose you're in bed and you're too sloshed to get out of bed, then you could actually open it up, so maybe there is some point in it. We've got down here, as you can see, we've got 2 steps coming up, and you've got lots of space under the bed for storage. This is what it looks like. I'll just take this up so we can have a quick look. There you go. Got this enormous duckboard down there. You've got 2 drainage points at either side. Toilet, shower. Looks quite nice, doesn't it? This vehicle's only just come in. In fact, I wasn't here last time I walked down here. And I'll show you the sliding door like that as well. Notice that even on especially on, I should say, a lovely sunny day like today, you've got all this light coming in, but you'd expect that, I think, in the circumstances. Let's have a little bit more look at the kitchen as well, because lots of space in here and down there as well. That slat with the holes in, they're there so you can, that helps you get into bed, and that will come out should you want to carry something which is long. You might want to put your bike in here or something, although it'll have to go out when you need the space, something along those lines. If I did something with this though, I would have this, I'd have a keepo system like this, an elastic along there like that, and that would keep the stuff from falling out. Also, it's a Ford, but note this, see, that goes there, that goes there. But let's have a look from the outside, because you can see it better from the outside how it works. So you see that it's in two part. Very clever. I know somebody wrote on a comment when another brand did this, they didn't like it, but I think that works quite well, in my opinion. The Ford is more difficult to put this in because of the shape of the door, and where in Renault is also a problem as well, because of the shape of the door. Let's come to the back. I didn't check this, might be open. It is. So there's all that space you got down there, and in here there's the space for your gas as well. Obviously the bed will lift up if you want it to, like that, and therefore that gives you all of this extra space as well for carrying things. It also gives you a very high seat, but should you want to sort of sit on that part and maybe look out the window. I did mention you can actually close this like that, so you can have a blackout blind there. Leave the blinds down, or at least don't leave them closed. It's on hot days, because heat builds up behind them. It'll make less difference here because that is glass, but plastic doesn't like it at all. Oh, I didn't tell you the price. I think you're looking at, it depends on the specification, but you're looking at around 90,000 euros, something along those lines. Depends on the specification. That's really important in something like this. All right, there's your cassette, toilet, and here we have your hookup. That's the exhaust for the boiler, and there you go. So there's the 4x4 Carado. Yeah, I'll come around the other side because it looks better to end at the other side. So I'll leave you a link below where you can actually get it from where I'm at. There you go, it's company Project Caravan, and I'm working with this company producing an app for campers, and the app is called Help to Camp. It's very, very thorough in German language, so you can get it, actually you can get a free version from the App Store, and I'm doing the version in English, which is nowhere near as thorough as the German language version yet, but hopefully in time it will be. So if you're a German speaker, then you might want to have a look at that. Anyway, so links will be below, and for the moment, from me in Germany, thanks for listening. If you aren't already subscribed, then you might want to. I upload every day at 21:15, and when there's usually a premiere, nearly always a premiere, and I'm usually present for the premiere, so you can then chat in real time with me and other visitors as well. For the moment, thanks again, and bye for now.